Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming model and iOS so you know which menus appear. Once done, charge the phone above 20% and close apps to avoid interruptions. Now go to Settings, Accessibility, Touch and toggle Assistive Touch off then on. This often clears temporary glitches. If the toggle is missing, make sure screen time or device restrictions aren't blocking changes. These first steps isolate simple software hiccups and prepare the device for deeper fixes without wasting time. Next, you check for conflicts. Open Accessibility Shortcuts and Siri Shortcuts because a shortcut can override Assistive Touch. Then inspect Assistive Touch settings, review custom actions and top-level menu to ensure gestures are assigned correctly. Reassigned or blank entries can disable expected behavior. If gestures still misbehave, reset accessibility settings only, which clears custom configurations without deleting personal data. Make sure to back up any custom gestures you want to recreate. This eliminates configuration-level causes. Finally, update iOS because system updates often fix accessibility bugs. Install any pending updates and then test Assistive Touch. If the issue persists, perform a normal restart, and if needed a force restart for stuck processes, this refreshes system services. As a last resort, back up to iCloud or your computer, erase all content and settings, and restore from backup to remove deep software corruption. If problems continue after restore, contact Apple support. Hardware faults can mimic software failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.